Hey, it's Doug here with another 1-minute video. You've heard these sayings before about termites. Lucky for Trilogy residents, this has not been a major issue in the past, but there are things that you can do to prevent them from finding you. In my maintenance plan, I talk about an inspection for them, but I don't discuss what to inspect for. Well, hang in there because here we go. Desert subterranean termites are the primary enemy here in the Sonoran Desert. There are too many types, kings, queens, workers, to try to memorize them. Just know that they're ugly, and they kind of resemble yellowish ants. But here's what you should be aware of. Lucky for us, Shay pre-treated the soil prior to building our homes. If the barrier isn't broken around the home, it usually mitigates infestation. But never say never. If you've built like a casita or a pool close to the house, you may want to retreat. Because your insurance company doesn't normally cover termite damage, do your own inspection. Inspect for mud tunnels where the foundation meets the house, and on the inside along the walls. Keep wood, dead or alive, from touching the house. Fix water leaks. This will help keep scorpions away too. Seal the cracks in the foundation. These guys can get through a crack that's only 1/32 of an inch big. Look for signs of insect swarming, including discarded wings. And don't try to treat it yourself if you do find something. Call a pro. And usually, the inspections are free anyway. If you like this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe.